Okay, so I've unboxed the plate and the bed. Damn you UPS, they beat the crap out of the box. You can see some chunks in the corners there. So the metal plate that was supposed to be attached to the bed was loose and had turned slightly diagonal. So one of the corners had then penetrated the box and had a little bit of damage on it. I've stuck the plate over there at the moment, somewhere to keep it fairly straight, because hell, it's so thin it bends, so you can't just lean it against a wall because it just bends and falls off. So I've stuck it behind a bookshelf. Here's the glass plate, and I'm so glad I didn't film myself trying to get this into the gym, because it weighs a ton. I think I've used that phrase a few times, but I really do mean it with this. It is heavy, and considering I've got to try and get it out of the box, which is an effort in itself, and then get it onto those 4 plates, I'm beginning to think I probably need to call a friend, and so we can get a side each, because I think that's going to be a bit too much for one guy to do it safely. I'm sure I could, but I could also break it, and as UPS doesn't seem to have smashed the glass, I think I'll do it the safe way. So let me go and see if my mate Damon's available, and then I'll drag him down and offer him some free beer in exchange for his help.